guys. Hey guys.
I'm in New York, and I was supposed to vlog yesterday because I got here yesterday, but I suck at vlogging. And I was dead tired. I passed out on Den's couch. What you said?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
And then her and this lady over here.
We just tried to suffocate you. That's
yeah, and they were a mess. They tried to suffocate with me. A pillow apparently. I don't know what else they did. They did some stuff. But we're on our way to Comic-Con. Yeah! Got my Starbucks. Straight? Straight.
No, over here.
Oh my god, you can't. Anyways,
Straight.
Den's leading us and she's doing a terrible job.
I just said straight.
I have Starbucks. What else? That's it. Yeah, we're just Comic-Con, right? Oh, I was gonna show the badges, but oh yeah, she's half cosplaying because your top doesn't count. I'm not cosplaying because Taps forgot to order my onesie. Blaming everybody here.
She told me to cosplay and she's not cosplaying.
Oh yeah, because Taps forced me to cosplay, so I forced Den to cosplay. Taps ended up not cosplaying because the turkey mask was suffocating her, and then I ended up not cosplaying because I forgot to, or Taps forgot to buy me the cosplay, and then the only one who ended up half cosplaying is this one over here. So yeah. Yeah, let's go to Comic-Con. Woo! Okay. So, we got tired. Oh, you can't even see my face. Hold on, I gotta take this out probably. Let me try that again. So we got tired. We're gonna chill and eat for a bit. Chill and eat. We got some, what is this called?
Expensive food for no reason.
What did we do?
Super expensive food for no reason whatsoever.
$15 for this tiny bowl. How are you feeling, Tabs?
$5 for this.
Oh yeah, $5 for a soda. But we're too hungry to care. There is a bird in Tabs' house. He flew in here. We don't know how to get it out. Oh. So the thing is, but if you open the window, there's one, okay, so there's one inside the house and one like ready to come in. So if we open the window, the other one's just gonna fly. He's trying to get out, I think, maybe. Wait. We're trying to get the trapped one out first. Oh my god, I am so...
I'm not trying to trap you. Just get yourself out.
The face mask and banana have come out. I told you, man. You were like, it's the wind. I told you and you were like, oh, it's the wind.
No, we gotta have a game plan for this.
Okay, the game plan is...
Yeah?
So we think they went out. We can't find them anymore. But we don't know.